Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Monday and I'm here with Lecture Monday with the next part of words to be learned in plant breeding. Starting with glycophytes. These are plants that love or that are adapted to saline conditions. Next is growth, that is naked. Deer seeds are generally called so. Example of oats. Next is grow out test. This test is generally done to know the genetic purity of seeds. Now, in seed test, determination of genetic purity of a seed lot by growing the test sample and the authentic sample of the concerned variety in adjacent plant, and then we compare the qualitative and quantitative traits. Next one is halophytes. Halophytes is nothing but glycophytes itself. That is plants adapted to saline condition. Now, haploids. Haploids are individual with gametic chromosome number, that is N. Next one is hardening for chill temperature. So basically what we are doing, we are increasing the tolerance for lower temperature. That is increased chilling tolerance of a plant or line due to an early exposure to a near chilling temperature for specific period. Now, if the same thing is done for high temperature, that is hardening heat. Improved ability of a plant or line to withstand a period of high temperature as a consequence of an early exposure to high temperature for a given period of time. Now, next one is harvest index, that is the ratio of economic yield to biological yield. The last one is heat shock protein, that is HSP, a group of proteins that normally exist in cells but their synthesis is accelerated by exposure to heat that is higher than normal temperature. So that's it for the day. If you like the video, please hit the like button, share it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I'll again come up till then. Take care. Bye bye.